Hi guys, this is Nissan qashqai 2011 1.5 DCI. How to get to the what they call it, a DPF pressure sensor, if I'm wording it right. Now there's a few videos on the internet, but nobody seems to show you how they take it out and how they get to it. So as you can see, I've had to take off the turbo pipe, which is this plastic one, so you take it away from the turbo down below. There's two nuts on it, so get this plastic one out of the way. As you take the plastic away, you will get to the sensor or the hose, which sits just on here. It's this red hose, so it kind of just clips onto that with a pin, and then the sensor is plugged in here. Now there's lots of videos on the internet showing you the fault codes and showing you the pipe, but nobody actually shows you how they get to it. So you can imagine what I've had to take off. So I've got to take the battery out, the ECU holder bracket. So I took the ECU off, took the airbox out, and for you to find, it's situated under here. So if I grab that hose, and it should show you where it is, which is just sat behind there, and it's a 13mm 30mm socket. As you can see, it's just there, and that's what you got to open up and clean or replace to get rid of the fault codes, which I will mention in the video.